झुमका बरेली वाला, कानों में ऐसा डाला, झुमके ने ले ली मेरी जान। हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान,
दुनिया मेरे पीछे, लेकिन मैं तेरे पीछे, ना बना ले मेरी जान। हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान। So hello, welcome to Tailor-Made Stories with a brand new episode with me, Neeti. And yes, it's got a new location and I think it's a very cute spot that I have. And also today's episode is about my Mumbai collection earrings that I've told you guys. Also guys, I have something very important to share with you. So I went to Mumbai, as you all know. अगर नहीं पता तो बता रही हूँ मैं. I went to Bombay and my house was in a very bad state. Like पूरी जगह fungus लग गई थी. For 5 months it was shut. My fridge got spoiled and before I left I really thought कि I'm coming back in 3-4 days, but ऐसा हुआ नहीं. So my fridge got spoiled and because of that there were so many kiddas and all. So I made a decision कि अभी I'll just leave Bombay for a few months. Anyway, the situation in Bombay is so much worse, is so bad than Gurgaon and Delhi. Like I think people take care more here than in Mumbai. So that's what we all decided. So within 4 days I packed up everything and I am back in Gurgaon. So I'm gonna be here for a while till things get settled down because also this corona thing that is become very light right now for most of the things because there's so many other things happening. But it's actually a very scary disease and I don't want to get it. So and I don't want my family also to get it because it's not good. So I'm just going to be very safe and many of you will troll me over this कि ओ शिफ्ट हो गई, काम नहीं मिला. ठीक है, काम नहीं है, अगर है भी तो हमने मना कर दिया because safety is priority for now. So I'm just going to be safe. So as I'm here and when things get settled down there and it's better and I know I can live alone properly, I will go back. But because I packed everything, so see the way I packed my earrings. This is Neeti earrings. These सारे मेरे earrings ही है. So much I packed in 4 days, but it was a lot. But बहुत मज़ा भी आया. 4 days में घर pack करना was, I sold everything. So it was sad, but gotta miss Bombay. Actually, I'm not missing it because of the situation that is, the state Mumbai is in right now is really bad. But I have my earrings here, so I'm going to show you my collection. So let's open this. So this is my shooting bag. Let's show you what all is in this. This is all that is in the bag. Okay, so I'm going to show you धीरे. So okay, these are my clips that I have. इसको छोड़ो. These are my lipsticks that I have. इसको छोड़ो. Earrings पे आते हैं. These are my earrings. These are my earrings. Then these are my earrings. It's gonna take me like some 2-3 episodes to do this. These are my earrings. These are my rubber bands. And all my accessories here only. These are my cute sweet clips. And इधर की चीजें. Oh yeah, like my keychains and safety pins, all of that. Okay, so let's show you. Let me start with this because there's a lot in that. So let me show you these 3 packets. So chalo shuru karte hain. Also guys, I'll keep saying this. A lot of people take COVID very lightly. Don't do that. That this virus, you know, unless it happens to someone really close and all, you actually don't know the effect of it. But a lot of people are dying with this. So please be safe because I've seen a lot of us who just don't care and like take precautions, take care. And yes, we have to live our life. We can't just stop living our life. I totally agree with that. But also take care because it's not a aisa wala virus. People are dying and it's really sad. And the way it's increasing, it's crazy. So please, I would just request all of you to take care, and especially when you're flying, when you're going to the airport, please take care because it's really crazy. Please wear the PPE kit. I also did that. It's a little suffocating, but safety comes first. And also one more thing, take care of the people who are around you. really matters और खोलते हैं, मैं बहुत ज्ञान दे रही हूँ. So guys, I'm going to be showing my earrings really fast because I can't be talking because there are so many of them. So just enjoy and description में लिख दूँगी कहाँ से क्या खरीदा, बहुत सारे हैं, but just please, just bear with me, okay? I can only find one more of these. This is so weird. All mixtures, okay guys? I'm not really sorted in life, but yes. Now I'm gonna stop speaking and थोड़े earrings भी टूट गए हैं, but ठीक मनीष मार्केट गाइस, मनीष मार्केट 50 रुपए में खरीदी है, 50 रुपए में. These are all my hoops, okay? Okay. So guys, as you can see, this is straight from the packing. I haven't even organized it, so it's all real and very candid. So please enjoy and do not judge. So this is from Lokhandwala Market. This one is from Lokhandwala Market. This is I think from वही अपना मनीष द मार्केट. ये मैंने दिल्ली के एक मॉल में से खरीद. I didn't buy it. Somebody bought it for me. This is all junk jewelry which I just buy from the road anywhere and everywhere. And yes, a lot of my jewelry has broken, and I will give it to Mama to fix it because she will always does that for me. So yes, this I got it from Manish Market. It's a very pretty one. सब अटकते हुए अटक हाँ
गया
सब अटक गए हैं.
गया
सब अटक गया है और खोल भी नहीं रहे. ओके These are my Christmas वाले जो मैंने आज तक नहीं पहना है. Okay, there are a lot of earrings which I have not worn. Okay, so you will see a lot of them which I have not worn. So just imagine. Okay, this is from Manish Maria. It's really really beautiful and it's got orange. And suddenly today nowadays, orange and yellow seems to be my favorite color. Like I just adore it. I have so many. So if you guys are getting bored, it's okay.
I think by now we've all realized you're a shopaholic when it comes to earrings.
Yes, I am. Like you can see, I have a lot of earrings and I'm unable to show you a lot because a lot of them are stuck to each other and there is something happening here and most of them are broken and most of them are not worn. But a few of them you've seen me wearing a lot. So होते हैं ना कि कुछ favorites होते हैं जो आप हर रोज पहनते हो. So yes, I love earrings and I'm crazy for earrings. Like you've seen my Dali collection and then Mumbai collection. So बहुत सारे earrings है and I'm sure आप लोगों का कोई एक ऐसा चीज़ होगा जो you guys really really like. So do comment down and let me know what it is. And also sunglasses will be shown very soon. But अभी earring का episode किया है, थोड़ा break देंगे और कुछ और करेंगे. But I love earrings and generally I just buy from anywhere and I always think this is something that makes me look good. So anything and everything you just need to carry it off well and you need to have your own confidence ki I'm looking nice and nothing can stop you. So remember that and keep smiling, stay safe and I'm signing off but do not forget every Thursday 11 AM tailor-made stories. You have a date with me. Okay, bye.